So we're at the outside condenser after we finished looking at everything in the attic. Now we're going to do an inspection, checking the amp draws on the compressor, the amp draws on the condenser fan motor. We'll check the capacitor for both the compressor and the fan, and then we'll also take a look at the contactor to see how well it's performing, make sure it's not pitted, and then we'll move on to refrigerant levels and temperatures. And then after that, we'll clean the unit utilizing the customer's hose bib. And then if there's anything concerned about, we'll visit with the customer about what we found.